Welcome friend, myself Professor K.S. Banker, and today I am going to discuss about allotropy of iron. So, iron having the capacity or it is having a characteristic that at the various temperature it has the different lattice structure. So, iron exists in more than one type of lattice structure is known as allotropy of iron. So, before start this topic, we must have to know about the melting point of iron. So, melting point of iron is 1539 degree centigrade, and iron is the allotropic metal exist in more than one type of lattice structures, that is BCC, FCC and again BCC. So, at the room temperature iron is having the BCC structure. At the 910 degree centigrade, if you heated the iron to a 910 degree centigrade, then it will convert from BCC structure to FCC structure, face centered cubic structure. And if you will again further heat it to a 1400 degree centigrade, then it will again convert from FCC structure to BCC structure. So, these three type lattice structures at the different temperature of the iron. So, this type of changes of lattice structure at the various temperature is known as allotropy of iron. Now, at the 768 degree centigrade, it is also known as Curie temperature. At this temperature, iron loses its magnetic property. So, it is called a Curie temperature. Now, see in this diagram, this is the iron crystal structure diagram. So, here once you heated the iron, then at the room temperature it is having the alpha ion, or it is called alpha ion in BCC structure at lower temperature. Then again it is heated to a certain degree, means more than the 768 degree, then it will convert into the again FCC structure, and then again heated to a certain degree, then it is converted into the BCC structure. So, at the different temperature it will convert from BCC to FCC and FCC to BCC. Now, see in this figure also, this iron crystal structures is drawn into degree centigrade temperature. Okay. So, at the room temperature it is a BCC structure, that is called alpha ion. Okay. And at the room temperature also the ion having the ferromagnetic, it is having the magnetic characteristics, but the temperature increase or ion is heated up to a 770 degree centigrade, then it will lose its magnetic property, means ferromagnetic ion convert into paramagnetic ion at the temperature of 768 degree centigrade, that is known as Curie temperature. And if again it is further heated to a 910 degree centigrade, then at this temperature it will convert from the BCC structure to FCC structure. Now, if again or further it is heated to a around 1400 degree centigrade, then it will again convert from BCC structure to FCC structure to BCC structure at the between or more than 1394 degrees centigrade. So at the different temperature, iron having the three types of lattice structure: BCC structure at the lower temperature or at the room temperature, FCC structure is at the 910 degree centigrade, and again BCC structure at the 1400 degree centigrade. So this is called the allotropy of iron. And also keep in your mind that the BCC structure at the higher temperature also, and at the lower temperature BCC structure is there. So it has high temperature BCC structure at 1539 degree centigrade, and also iron has the low temperature BCC structure at 910 degree centigrade, and it will lose the ferromagnetic property beyond 768 degree centigrade, and that temperature is known as Curie temperature. Okay, so for this time up to this, okay, in next lecture we will discuss about the new concept of engineering. Thank you very much.